welcome to your classroom tutorial. I'm Beth McGuire and I'm going to show you how to use the equipment available to you in your classroom. When you're ready to begin, turn on the system via the touch panel on your desk. This will lower your screen and give you access to the system controls. On the touch panel, you can choose what source is displayed on your computer monitor. Anything displayed on the monitor will also appear on the projector screen unless you use the mute video option. Selecting 9er-net PC as your source will display your usual computer screen. Selecting laptop will display content from a device connected to your computer. Selecting dock cam will allow you to access the camera adjacent to the lectern. You can use this camera to show physical content to the class. It will also bring up a series of dock cam options that adjust the video quality, power the lamps, and freeze the video feed. This room is also equipped with a classroom camera that is located in the center of the room. On your touch panel, select either Record Controls or Camera Controls to access the camera functions. You will have the option to show your camera only, your selected source only, or picture-in-picture. Picture-in-picture allows you to show your chosen source full screen along with your camera feed in a smaller window. On this page, you are also able to select your camera preset. The different camera presets are a shot of the podium labeled Podium, the whole front of the classroom labeled Wide, and a close-up of the front center of the classroom labeled Close-Up. On your panel screen, there also are audio controls. These will allow you to adjust the computer speaker volume. There are options to use either the podium mic or the wireless mic. If you have a wireless microphone in your black safe, enter the combination, either 6009B or 6009 pound, and take the wireless mic off the charger. After about 10 seconds, the flashing light on your wireless mic should be solid green. If it is flashing red, then press the button on the wireless mic to unmute it. Some rooms will also have a USB microphone. You will have to physically turn this one on by pressing the button at the base. When the red light is on, the mic is also on. There will be no option on the touch panel to enable this microphone as it feeds to the computer alone. This microphone can be used during Zoom meetings, which we will teach you how to set up from this room. When you open your class Canvas page, there will be an option on the left-hand side labeled Zoom. When you click on it, you will be presented with the option to create a new meeting. Input the day and time your meeting will take place. For classes, make sure to check the box that says Recurring Meeting so that you don't have to set up a new meeting for every class session. If you need your meeting recorded, you'll find the option to record meeting automatically in the cloud. Selecting this will prompt your meeting to be automatically recorded by Zoom and then uploaded to your Canvas page under the My Media tab. When you open your meeting, you will see the option to join with computer audio. First are your security options. Here you are able to lock your meeting from new participants or enable a waiting room so participants have to be approved by you before joining. Underneath is the option to grant or restrict certain participant activities. After you adjust your security settings, you will have to select the option to enable your microphone. For analog rooms, the mic input should be VEC, GN, USB. In digital rooms, the mic input should be line in. Line in refers to wireless mics and the black podium mic. Some digital rooms do not have wireless mics, but the podium mic is configured as a line in mic. For digital rooms using line in, you must also turn on the mic from the touch panel. Next, you will be able to start your video feed. You will have the option to use your classroom camera or your document camera. In the center is a bright green button with an arrow that says Share Screen. Selecting this will allow you to display whatever is on your computer screen to your meeting participants. In your screen sharing options, select Choose Source, and then pick what windows you want to display. You may want to display footage from the dock camera. If your room has the black Como model dock cam, go to the tab that says Advanced and select Content from Second Camera. If you have the beige Samsung UF80 model, open the USB Viewer software to share your screen. Zoom provides live transcription for meetings that want or need added subtitles. By selecting Live Transcript and then Enable Live Subtitles, your audio will be automatically transcribed on the screen. There's also the option to place your participants into breakout rooms. This will divide everyone into private subgroups. You can create as many as 50 breakout rooms and decide whether groups will be divided automatically, manually, or by the participants themselves. When it's all set up, select Open All Breakout Rooms. Don't worry, you won't lose touch with your participants while they are in the breakout rooms. To message them, select Broadcast Message to All. At the end of your breakout room session, hit the Close Rooms button. This gives participants 60 seconds to complete their conversation and return to the general meeting. When your class is complete, press End Class or the Off button on your touch panel. This will reset the screen and log you out of the system. Congratulations, now you're ready for class.